What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin with the Boones, and today we are right here in North Myrtle Beach on the boulevard. Check out what's happening, what's new, and what it looks like after the crowds have left. You got Fenway Grill, which has burgers and hot dogs. Got your Duffy Street Seafood Shack. Let's see. Sorry, we are remodeling. Visit Hoto's or Buoy's Ocean Front. That's where she wants to eat, is at Hoto's. Okay, she don't want to eat there. So there's your Daisy Duke Saloon across the street there. Giorgio's Pizza and Subs. Bargain World. Oh yeah, we can go to Buoy's. All right, look at that. There's a Spanish Galleon across the street. Pirates Cove. Kings at the Beach. Buy one, get one free. And I think we're gonna cross here, are we? All right, hit the button. So this is the shaggin' capital of the world right here. Shaggin' is the South Carolina state dance. No, it's got a little do not walk.
Oh, look at all his ducks.
Duck, duck, Jeep. Now there's Hoto's that way, but you said you may not want to hit Hoto's because she's already eaten there. And there's Buoy's right here. Right across the street is your OD Pavilion Arcade. Ice cream, yogurt. Now that is a very famous arcade. Oh, look at that, Dancing Dan. Buoy's on the boulevard. Happy hour, live music, seafood, sushi, brew, burgers, and a whole lot of fun. That's like a commercial, didn't it?
Yeah.
So we took a break right here at Buoy's.
Where the locals go.
Where the locals hang out.
See the sign right there?
Oh, is that what it says right there?
Mm-hmm.
And here's a quick look at their menus. This would be the food, and this is the cocktail. You want me to show you yours? Now, what did you get, Nikki?
Shark bite?
Shark bite.
Shark attack.
Shark attack. And this is the, what kind of milk? Oh,
It's
cheeseburger
milk.
Cheeseburger milk. That looks good.
It does look good.
And I got the mushroom Swiss burger with cheese, mushrooms, specialty sauce on a toasted bun. Yum.
Good thing they slowed down and didn't eat.
That's right. So we'll venture up here. Look, Pirates Cove and Rooftop Bar here.
Yeah.
So there's a bar, obviously, on the rooftop, right near the Daisy Duke's Saloon. Ice cream, Dairy King. You got Giorgio's Pizza and Subs. Yeah. Hey, how are you?
Hey.
Jermaine Slice, look at that. So Giorgio's has pizza, subs, pastas, gyros, and more. These are the people that shag, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. And they go all the way down. It's just like in Hollywood. Uh-oh, she's shagging. Watch out, folks. There's you a big old dessert ice cream place.
pumpkin spice milkshake.
Main Sweets ice cream. That's a pretty big place right there. Sand, beachwear. We have a lot of beach stores up here, just like Myrtle.
Much more laid back.
It is. Now there's the Sky Bar that she likes to go to whenever we're up here for the St. Patrick's Day
Yes.
celebration.
Oh, look at that big old mermaid. Look at that.
Sea Salt Boutique. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Look at that big right there in front.
International Cafe, a foreign affair. They sure do. There's New York Pizza Kitchen. Remember the New York Pizza Kitchen?
Like downtown.
Yeah, in Myrtle Beach. Here's one right here in North Myrtle. Duck's Nightlife. This is what Dwayne used to have, right? So you got Duck's Main Street Bar and Grill and Sidewalk Cafe on this side, and then the Ducks where they line dance and shag on the other side and do various other forms of dancing.
Now,
So right here is Deckers, and what we do is we come over here and hang out with all of our cool friends during the St. Patrick's Day parade. Live music at Deckers. So we're out of the main area that people hang out. What's that called? The main junction, the hub, Shagger's hub of North Myrtle Beach.
looks a lot different without it being St. Patrick's Day.
Right. And not being here in the summertime.
Yeah.
There's a nice little mural. Look back there. I forgot about that mural. The octopus. Diagonal across there is the Main Street Eatery.
We have a video of that. They have very good breakfast in the morning for that.
Very good breakfast. And hot dogs.
And cakes. And
Oh yeah, they do
bacon.
have yeah, pastries and stuff.
I think we brought back Mike a cupcake from there, didn't we? Key lime cupcake.
It's possible. There's a smoothie place. And of course Hoskins down there is a country cooking.
It's good. It's cheap.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap,
It's
affordable. So they have a Soho's right there at the Sky Bar. And if you remember, we had filmed the one up there in Myrtle Beach. Steak, sushi, hibachi, oyster bar.
And there's one right on the waterway.
And there's
Right
one.
beside Toasties. Yeah.
Okay. Shaggers Hall of Fame. Look at all these shaggers.
We're back.
Your name's not on here, is it?
No, I'm afraid not.
Yeah. Keep practicing. You'll get it.
There's Fat Harold's Beach Club across the street there, which is right beside the Sky Bar. It's another shagging establishment. And we've turned around and we're heading back toward the light. Look at that. They got the Shagging Hall of Fame
The year you graduated.
on this side too. Shaggers Hall of Fame, all the way down the OD Boulevard.
All right, and remember, whenever you're down here in Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach, those parking meters are over October the 31st. You don't have to pay for parking after October the 31st up until March the 1st, I think it is.
Well, that was a quick walk through here in North Myrtle Beach on the streets to see what was open, what was going on, and what it looks like when all the tourists have gone home for the summer. What's that song, The Boys of Summer?
Yeah.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching. Ooh, jacoo, jacoo, jacoo.